Happy birthday. Wish you happiness in life, good health, and many more birthdays to come. Bing, happy 60th birthday. Mas ka na yun. Double citizen ka na. We love you. Hope you're in good health.
Ayan, Pigibing.
And say happy birthday, Pigibing. Happy 60th birthday.
Among way sa imo, atagan ka pa sa kabaskog sa imong panglawas o uban sa imong pamilya o sa imong mga apo.
Padaghanan na imong apo, ro na magatiman ninyo ni Uncle Carlos. Then we miss you so much. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Auntie.
Auntie.
Hi, hello, Peace Friend Giving. How are you? Happy 68th birthday, Bing. Wow. Still bagets pa rin tayo. Wish you all the best and enjoy your special day and hope you have a good birthday celebration and stay healthy and of course, stay beautiful. Love you, my best friend. Bing. See you soon. Hopefully, next year sometimes. All right, love you, Bing.
Happy birthday, Bing. Salamat kaayo nga nag-abot ka sa 60 years old. Happy ka kaayo, at least naabot ka pag 60 Bing. Happy birthday, Bing. Ngayon ta, dugangan ang inyong edad. Kung kabaskog sa labas, magkanunoy. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.